Namaste, welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos and then press the bell icon. Today I just wanted to show you a yummy healthy breakfast or else snack or else dessert, whatever you call. This is the thing I am going to show you today where kids love to enjoy this dish. So here I have taken a bowl and into this I have already added 2 scoops of dosa or idli batter. Let me add another 2 scoops of dosa or idli batter. See, I am adding once again here. This one I have grinded it yesterday, so today I am going to show this. So here I have taken ragi flour. Here I am going to add almost 3/4 cup of ragi flour, which is very good and which is very rich, which is more rich in calcium also. And then just for sweetness I am going to add here jaggery. This is organic jaggery powder. As we know, jaggery is very good for all the age groups. For kids also it is very useful and healthy too. So once we add jaggery, now I am going to add little bit of water to make the consistency bit watery. I mean like dosa batter, I just wanted this, I wanted to mix this batter. So as we added here ragi flour, I have added some water. Just keep on mixing this well. And this idli or dosa batter is a very balanced combination of rice and protein. This is also known as traditional South Indian recipe also, this idli and dosa batter. So, and then now I am going to, I have added ragi flour also, right. This is very rich in fiber, calcium and which helps to weight loss also. It also has rich in vitamin D. So, ragi is also very useful for our health. As I have added jaggery, jaggery is very good to is very good natural sweetness and very good to have for our health also. So here we have all 3 ingredients very healthy. So just mix it into a almost let me show you the consistency. See how nice watery I have mixed. You just check, it should be almost like your dosa batter consistency, that is more than enough. See, this consistency is enough for us. Once you mix this well, just keep this aside and let us take this paddu pan or paddu pan, I think. So just switch on the flame and by the time this get heated, let me add, here I have taken homemade butter. So I am going to add just little butter into this paddu pan. So once this get heated, I am going to add this batter to this. Just keep on adding this batter. This is very good, healthy for kids and for elders, everyone. So easily we can prepare this in our home itself. As per me, homemade is better than outside food. So into this, I just to garnish or just to give additional flavor, I am going to add here dark chocolate. This is Belgium dark chocolate, 85% I am adding it here. My kids got used to have this dark chocolate, so they love to have. So I am just wanted to drop a small piece of dark chocolate into only few I am going to add here. Almost some 4 to 5 paddus let me add dark chocolate, and for rest of the things let me add this jaggery crystals. You see, I am going to add just 2 pieces of jaggery to this. I think jaggery gets melted and that also gives the nice flavor for this paddu. Then once we add this, just take the lid and cover this pan with the lid for another 3 to 4 minutes. Let it keep on cooking. After some 4 to 5 minutes, let us open the lid. You see how nicely it got puffed and chocolate got melted. Jaggery is also melted. Now just flip it off this paddus, sweet paddus, sweet ragi paddu. Just flip on this so that it gets cooked both the sides. Make sure you are doing it softly and slowly so that puddus will not get disturbed. So once you flip it off, if you want you can even add a small piece of butter. I have added only a small piece of butter to the middle one. I am not going to add for any of the rest of puddus. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on a slow flame. So once this get cooked for another 2 to 3 minutes, just switch off the flame and take it to a serving plate. So once you take it to a serving plate, I have taken here dark chocolate which I have melted. Just keep on drizzling, just to give a nice rich look for the kids. I have scribbled like anything. However you want, you can even decorate your plate. Kids love to have this dessert or snack. You also please do try this. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel.